How do I call Setattr on the current module? What do I pass as the first parameter, object, to the function Setattr, object, name, value, to set variables on the current module? For example, giving the same effect as within the module containing these lines, with the correct object. I'm generate several values at the module level dynamically, and as I can't define __getattr__ at the module level, this is my fallback.
Or, without using Setattr, which breaks the letter of the question but satisfies the same practical purposes winking smiley. Note, at module scope, the latter is equivalent to, which is a bit more concise, but doesn't work from within a function. Vars gives the variables of the scope it's called at, the module's variables when called at global scope, and then it's okay to use it a W, but the function's variables when called in a function, and then it must be treated as RO. The Python online docs can be a bit confusing about this specific distinction.
In Python 3.7, you will be able to use __getattr__ at the module level. Related answer. For PEP 562.
If you must set module scoped variables from within the module, what's wrong with global? Thus,
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.